Alright guys, today I'm going to be doing a review of this Riceworks. These are on sale during the holidays, so I picked up a bag. These are sea salt, and as you can see, gluten-free. We're going to do a quick review, taste test on it. There's the nutrient panel, and there's the ingredients. If you guys want to read it, pause the video, and let's open it up. Alright, so that's what they look like. You can definitely see the kernels of grain in there, of rice, so they're a lot denser than like corn tortillas or like Doritos, things like that. They're a lot denser. Definitely check it out. The salt is not even that heavy. It's kind of bland, but it's not bad. It's a nice crunch. If you have any questions, comments, guys, please subscribe to the channel.